the ultimate medieval Crusader coin. This was minted in Cyprus during the rule of King Henry II, 1285 to 1324. King Henry II is the last ruling king of Jerusalem, and that happened after he won the battle of the historic Siege of Acre in 1291. You can see the beautiful Crusader cross on the obverse of this coin, minted in the Crusader Kingdom of Cyprus. We set this in a 14-karat white gold pendant. Nice shackle bail. It's an awesome piece of Crusader and Christian history. On the reverse, you see King Henry II seated on a throne, and he's holding a globus cruciger.